जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 8th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, attaining me is your goal. In order to attain your goal, you have to keep me in your thoughts continuously. That is known as abhyasam. Not only that, you have to have extreme amount of love towards me, and while thinking about me, you should be able to visualize my Divya Mangala Vigraham as if I am right in front of you. To that extent, you have to connect with me. That is known as Yogam. Now, with this Abhyasam and Yogam, your mind will be concentrated on me. Your mind will be focused upon me. I am different from this Prakriti. I am different from all these souls, and I have Divya Mangala Vigraham. I am supreme. Now, because your mind is focused upon me, definitely you will attain me. Arjuna, this is the procedure to be followed by those who are seeking prosperity from me. This is the procedure to be followed by Aishwaryardhi. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving a procedure to be followed by Aishwaryardhi for them to attain Aishwaryam from Sriman Narayana. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Abhyasa yoga yuktena cetasa nāṇyagamina paramam purusham divyam yāti pārdha anuchintayan. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror Galitam Phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Vineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. Maitreya saying like this, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma, he started visualizing, he started having darshanam of Paramatma, who is the supporter to him. Now that Paramatma's Rupam is glowing like Mrunala Gaurayata Sesha Bhoga Paryanka, glowing, and that Paramatma is there on the bed of serpent, on Sesha Panpu, Ekam Purusham Sayanam. Paramatma is in sleeping posture. Chaturmukha Brahma looking at that beautiful posture. Navasara Sanala Sitaika Bhogamung Kaligina Seshatalpa Munukai Konivunna Mahatmuni Vokkanin. Chaturmukha Brahma enjoying Paramatma, who is there by himself. And Adiseshas, all those heads of Adisesha, it is like an umbrella to Paramatma. On that Seshasaya, Paramatma is sleeping. Chaturmukha Brahma is enjoying Paramatma's divine glory and divine, beautiful, handsome body. Paramatma's Divyadeha Saundaryam, the beauty of that Divyamangala Vigraham, is glowing and spreading that glow all over. Sandhya Branivehe, as and how at the time of Sandhya Samayam, the beauty of yellow color comes out and glitters and glows. That kind of Pitambaram is there. Paramatma wearing that kind of Pitambaram. And Paramatma's divine, beautiful Kamaniya Navahema Kalita Kiritambu Ramana Kanchana Sikharambu. All Paramatma's divine ornaments are glittering and glowing. And that Bhagavan's handsome shoulders and feet, they are also glowing. Ayamato Vistarataha Swamanadehena Lokatraya Sangrahena, in width and height. Paramatma is spreaded all over with his divine beautiful body, and that Bhagavan's Vichitra Divya Abharana Amsukanam, with all the beautiful garments, beautiful ornaments, extreme amount of glow and effulgence coming out from Paramatma's Divya Mangala Vigraham. Now Chaturmukha Brahma experiencing and enjoying each and every detail of that Paramatma. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 8th sloka. Abhyasa yoga yuktena chetasa nanyagamina paramam purusham divyam yati partha anuchintayan. Abhyasa yoga yuktena chetasa nanyagamina paramam purusham divyam yati partha anuchintayan. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.